Now this may sound like a crazy idea, but it's kind of fun. Imagine installing Android apps on your Windows PC. I'm Jason Cipriani. With this ZDNet how-to, I'm going to show you how to do just that on Windows 11. The process only takes a couple of minutes. You don't have to do anything special other than click a few buttons. And then at the end of it, you'll be able to have access to the Amazon Appstore, where you can download a selection of Amazon Appstore Android apps that you can then run on your Windows PC. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the process here on a Windows Surface Laptop 4 I have. The first thing you're going to want to do is check for any pending software updates. I checked right before I started filming. It looks like it's still trying to install a malicious software removal tool. I don't care much about that. I'm running the latest update version of Windows 11. That's all that really matters. Now, there are a few things you need to know or keep in mind before you can install the Amazon Appstore, and one of them is system specifications. So what I have open here is the Microsoft Store app. I'm going to click, or I search for Amazon Appstore. I'm going to click on that to open it. And then after it loads, what you'll want to do on your system is scroll down here to this section that says System Requirements. If you have a green check mark like this does here, that means your system qualifies to install and run the Android App Store through the Amazon App Store on your system. If you don't have a green check mark, click on Show More and then look at what exactly it is that is preventing you from taking part in testing the Amazon App Store. It could be as simple as you need the proper software version, which is Windows 11 version 22,000.0 or higher. And if that's the case, then you go to the Settings app, Windows Update, and check for updates and install it. All right, once you have verified that your system is ready to go and compatible, what you'll do in the Microsoft Store here with the Amazon App Store is click Install. A dialog is going to come up letting us know that it is going to, Windows 11 and your computer is going to install the the Windows subsystem for Android on your device. This basically means that it is installing everything your computer needs to have so that it can run Android apps and trick the apps into thinking they're running on an Android device. So after you read through that, click Download, approve the prompt, and now this part may take a few minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is. I think for me it takes 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm getting about 100 megabits down per second here. So I'll be back once this finishes up downloading. All right, so the download is just about finishing up. It's going to finish processing a few things, and then the button turns into Open Amazon App Store. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, close out of the Microsoft Store. The first time this loads up, you'll see that it is creating the Windows subsystem for Android. It's getting all the files together and getting it ready to run basically the first Android app that you're going to run on your Windows PC here in the form of the Amazon App Store. This can take a minute or two depending on how slow or fast your PC is. It should be pretty fast, and there we go. Here is the Amazon App Store. Of course, in order to download apps from the Amazon App Store, you're going to need a Amazon account. All right, I've gone ahead and signed into the Amazon App Store, and as you can see, it looks just like it does on a Fire tablet or even a Fire TV device if you're browsing through apps on there. Now, there's not a ton of apps available right now. I would say the highlight app available would be the Kindle for Android app, which is meant to be used on a touchscreen device. It's very apparent when you're trying to use the mouse that it's meant for a touchscreen device. But there's a bunch of games here. Some color by numbers, crosswords. You can go through each category and pick some stuff out. Like I said, there's a lot of games right now, but I'll show you how to install an Android app. So we'll go ahead and tap on Kindle for Android. Gives you all the details about the app. Tap or click on Install, and then it downloads the app directly to your Windows PC. And then once it's installed, the download button or the install button will change to open, and then the Kindle app will open on your Windows PC, but it's the Android version of the app, which is just crazy. Now, Amazon and Microsoft are still working through all of this, so the preview is going to continue to expand and get better, and more apps will be added to this as well in the future. If you want to find more apps or apps in the future after you've installed them, you can just open the Start menu, go to All Apps, scroll through there. Under A is the Amazon Appstore, and of course the Kindle app is now under K, and they work and run just like a normal app on your Windows PC would. Hopefully you find some useful apps in there, if nothing else, to help entertain the kids while you're working at home, or, read a book for yourself using the Kindle app. Once again, I'm Jason Cipriani, and thanks for watching this video. Make sure to visit zdnet.com for more how-to tips just like this one, as well as general tech news.